What's up everybody? Today you're going to be seeing a behind the scenes edit of our short where we race the mobility scooter against the FPV drone.
Coming up, we're going to show you guys how we set up every single camera and how we start the race to make sure everything goes perfectly. Let's do it.
Okay guys, so this is our mobility scooter. It's completely custom built, custom wired and everything. So for the filming, that's kind of why you're watching the video, I'm guessing, is we have an Insta360 camera right on the front, and then we have an Osmos Action 5 Pro. So the Insta360, the goal is to get more of an angle up at the driver, and then the Osmos is obviously the forward point of view.
And guys, we have this 1/4 mile long drag strip. That's what we're gonna be racing on.
This is our driver right here. We're down doing a driver interview. How do you feel about this race?
I'm feeling pretty good. I think it's gonna probably be pretty close, but I think I got it.
We will see. I don't think he has a chance. Do you think the mobility scooter is going to be sketchy to ride at high speed, or do you think it'll be pretty stable?
I think it's gonna be pretty stable. It used to be a little bit sketchier, but it's not that bad at high speeds.
Tell us a little bit about the upgrades that you built for this thing. Like, tell the process that you've gone through.
Okay, so on the mobility scooter, we initially started with the old mobility scooter, like the ones you see at shopping centers and stuff, the ones that are slow. So we initially started out with that, and then we extended our frame, put new wheels on it, put a 270cc engine on it, which is 11 horsepower. And then we upgraded the carburetor to get 15 horsepower out of it. We put front lights on it, rear lights, which you will see in action in the video. Did a bunch of wiring to it, took forever. I think we've been working on it for about 3 months. We put a battery on there, and now it's good to go.
All right, guys, next up, we're gonna get some B-roll of this thing, and then we'll get right to the race. So stay watching until the end, and we'll show you guys who wins. All right, guys, so we've had a few technical difficulties. As you can tell, we have a couple guys gone. They're getting some more parts for us. But we had the hose line right here that popped off and started spraying fuel everywhere. As you can tell, right here on the ground, it's a little wet. And then also the pull starter, the clamp came off, and so now it's in the engine. So we have to get that out.
Okay, so what we had go wrong is we had the pull string break, making it not be able to pull start, and now we're gonna be putting it back together.
We're gonna have my phone, and then we got 2 more phones down this whole track. So we're gonna get some great footage and make sure that we didn't miss any part of this race. We also got the drone up here.
You're going.
For some footage.
Rip it!
So I mean, we got every camera possible here.
There goes the mobility scooter for the first test lap.
Guys, I promise you, you've never seen anything like this on YouTube. It's gonna be something insane.
There he goes.
What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be racing FPV drone versus the superpowered mobility scooter.
And it's gonna be epic.
Let's do it. All right, guys, we're here at the starting line. Everyone's ready. We're gonna do the final countdown, but first, comment below who you think's gonna win. And he's gonna give us the countdown. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go, here we go, here we go. The drone takes a little bit to get started. That thing is fast. It's catching up though. Oh. All right, guys, obviously the FPV drone won. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.
Go ahead and check out our channel. As you can see, we have some epic content out there.
Yeah, guys, we have DJI mics and Osmos and the Avata, all linked in the description if you want to purchase them. Anything else you want to say?
Thanks for watching. This was a blast to film. Thanks, shout out to everyone that did this.
Oh yeah, guys, also, we did not forget, but here's the people that commented first from our last YouTube video. Thanks so much for supporting us, guys, and we'll keep making bangers every single week, Flying Fridays.
Thank you guys for watching.